Alright, we are live back in the engine department this afternoon. Engine corner, I guess we could call it. I thought of a quick tech tip while I was working on this crankshaft 1951 Panhead that I'm working on. So the tech tip is, let's just get right to it. After I bolt in the crank pin and the pinion shaft, you have your oil passages that are aligning your pinion shaft to your crank pin. And what I like to do is I just take a little air hose and the hole that's in your crank pin, put your finger over the hole that's in your pinion shaft there. We're back after the compressor interruption. Just to backtrack a little bit on the tech tip, we're making sure that throughout the years, especially later years, once you get into Shovelhead, Evo, there's some different, the crank pin will fit, but the oil passage ain't gonna line up. You just never know part numbers, manufacturing mistakes. You always want to double check. That's why I do that. It's basically just a double check. These earlier ones, you're not going to have any issues unless something was manufactured wrong, but it's a double check. Just to backtrack a little bit, this is a bare flywheel. You have an oil passage here in your crank pin, an oil passage here where your pinion shaft goes, and that's what is connecting all the dots. You got the oil passage in your pinion shaft there. And with your keyway is going from the other side. Gonna line that up. Crank pin the same way. That keyway lines up that oil passage. And that's what we're double checking is lined up in the flywheel after you torque everything down. Just a quick double check. It's called the tech tip of the day.